Hello digital marketers. Do you want to discover high-quality prospecting-worthy leads for your sales and marketing efforts? Where to have access to 10M plus e-commerce and DTC brands? Yes. Today I am here with the news of software that will help you discover high-quality prospecting-worthy leads for your sales and marketing efforts, and bring access to 10M plus e-commerce and DTC brands. So, let's find out which software it is. The software I am talking about is BrandNav. BrandNav makes it easy to build ultra-specific e-commerce lead lists. It discovers high-quality prospecting-worthy leads for your sales and marketing efforts. BrandNav ensures that every store in the database is an e-commerce brand. Make full use of your outreach bandwidth by reaching out to e-com brands only with BrandNav. BrandNav offers 30+ filters for you to identify and segment your prospects precisely. Filter your candidates by their tech stack, installed apps, social media followers, revenue, number of employees, and much more with BrandNav. Who need this software? It's ideal for digital marketers, sales managers, and small businesses. Price. They have 4 plans. Beginner, ideal for freelancers. It's $49 per month. Pro, ideal for small agencies. It's $99 per month. Legend, ideal for big agencies. It's $149 per month. Enterprise, ideal for enterprise businesses. It's $299 per month. But they have a lifetime deal going on. They have 4 plans there too. Plan 1, for $79 instead of $1,764. Plan 2, for $158 instead of $3,528. Plan 3, for $237 instead of $5,292. Plan 4, for $316 instead of $7,056. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software.